Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I have a really quick and easy candle holder idea that you could use for weddings. I'm a little crooked here. There we go. For weddings or any special occasion that you want. I found these really pretty Crackle candle holders at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up two of these. They're nice and thick. They're not the real flimsy ones that I've seen before. And then you're going to need two of these little votive candle holders. I got these at the Dollar Tree, and they come in a pack of 4. So it's only like 25 cents a piece for the candle holder for that part. So I think the total cost to make these is probably maybe $1.30. Because you're going to be adding some diamond wrap. Now, they have this at the Dollar Tree now. I picked up a whole bunch of these the last time I was there. And this is the adhesive diamond wrap, and it comes in a 6" by 10" sheet. And you can get a lot out of these. I think you could probably make 3 or 4 out of these, maybe 3½. So I took the diamond wrap and I cut strips of 2, lengthwise. And when you cut these out, you want to make sure that you cut off these funky little edges. They're kind of like a fabric edge. And you want to get them close to your gems so it looks much neater that way. So you want to make sure you cut all them off. And then I took some rubbing alcohol and just wiped these off to make sure there's, no oily spots or anything like that, so your adhesive sticks really well. And then you're going to need some E6000, or you can hot glue these together if you want to, if you're not going to be moving them around a lot, but they will kind of pop off if you pull them with hot glue. But if you use the E6000, then they're pretty much glued together for life. But you need to let this dry a good 24 hours once you glue them together. So, what we're going to do here is we're going to take our little candle holder and peel off our back. I'm not going to peel it all off at one time, so I don't want to get it too stuck to anything. And I'm just going to put a row of these at the bottom here, right where that lip starts, just above it. So it'll sit nice and flat, like right about there. I'm just going to wrap that all the way around. Pull off my little paper things as I go here. And this stuff bends real good, so you can just kind of make sure that it sits nice. So I don't like to use more than 2 rows, because on something like this that, kind of flares out at the bottom, it won't go around nice and even if you make it too wide. I mean, you could cut off another 2" strip if you wanted to put more of this on here. Or not a 2", but a 2-row strip. But if you try to do it like 4 rows together, it won't come out very easy. It'll kind of buckle at the top because it's not even. And then when you get around here, you just measure where you want to end, and I'm going to cut that off. Just give it a good push, make sure it's all stuck on there. So that's all you're going to do for the bottom of this. And then you're going to set that aside. And then we're going to take one of our Crackle globes here. And for this one, you're going to want to tuck these in here right in the center. You're going to want to push it in so it sits in there real nice right in the crease. And I've used this stuff before. It sticks pretty good. I have had a couple that didn't want to stick, because you never know. Sometimes they don't have enough adhesive on something. But if they don't stick as well as you'd like, I mean, you can always use a little hot glue to make sure. But I haven't had a problem with these coming off at all. And same thing, I get around here, and then I'm just going to trim this off. Let me double check here. Oops. No, that one's right, this one is not. Alright. There, so that came together pretty well. You really can't even see where it came together. So that's the little sparkle for the bottom. And I'm going to take another 2 rows here. I'm going to put it right in this groove right here. This is just a very inexpensive, I'm going to try to find where I put my crease. I think it's back here. A very inexpensive project. Because you know, if you're planning a wedding or something, things can be so expensive. And this, I think, look really pretty, and they're just so inexpensive to make. But they'll look absolutely gorgeous on the table, you know, next to some flowers. When I'm done here, I'm going to set that up and show you guys how pretty they look. There, and that went together perfectly too. Yay! Alright, so now all we have to do is take our little tea light cup here and then add our E6000, and all you have to do with this is just dot it around the edge. You don't want too much because you don't want it to ooze down the sides. So if you just dot it like that, you don't need a ton of this stuff because it holds really well. Alright, so we got that dotted on there, and then all you're going to do is take your little candle top and set it right on top there. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the other one, and we're going to put a candle in it and light it up and put it next to our little centerpiece just to show you guys how nice these will look. Alright guys, there they are. I think they look very pretty. I have my candles in them all lit up nice here, as you can see. And I'm sure your centerpiece will look much nicer than the one I just kind of tossed together here on the table, but I just wanted to give you guys an, excuse me, an idea. So that's it. It's just real simple. It's real pretty. I think they look very elegant on the table. And like I said, you can make a bunch of these up really fast and very inexpensive. Like I said, probably about $1.30 to make each one. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this idea. Have a great day.